Another way you can determine if it's a function is with a mapping diagram. So this is, we're going to list our domains, our ranges, and we're going to have arrows. So looking at the domains, 11, 12, 13, and 20, we're going to put them in order. 11, 12, 13, and 20. Our range are all our y values, so we have -2, -1, and 7. We're going to have arrows that indicate which one is connected with which range value. So 11 went to -2, 12 went to -1, 13 went to -2, and 20 went to 7. Here's what you're looking for. You're looking for, remember, domain is the important one to look at. Think of it, a function is like an equation, right? Can you put 11 into an equation and get out -2? Sure, that happens. What you really have to look at is, are there any numbers in the domain that have 2 arrows coming off of it? Just saying like, can you put in 11 and have it come out to 2 different answers? No, that's not possible. But everything in the domain just has 1 arrow coming off of it. That's good. So we'd say, yes, function. So again, look for 2 arrows coming off of the domain. It doesn't matter that 2 numbers go to -2 in the range. That's fine. You could have every arrow coming to 1 number in the range. Doesn't matter. Look at the domains. Those are the important ones. So over here, we'll draw our diagram again. So our lowest x value, we've got -2, -1, and 6. Our lowest y values, we have -1, 0, 1, and 3. If we draw our arrows, let's see, -2 goes to -1, -1 goes to 0, 6 goes to 3, and -2 goes to +1. This is the problem, the -2. You cannot have 2 arrows coming off of a domain value. Again, this means function is like an equation. Can you put in -2 into one equation and come out with 2 different answers? Not possible. So we would say, not a function. Now, again, this is a second way. You can do the vertical line test. You can do the mapping diagrams. Also, we're going to get to a place where you don't even need to do the mapping diagram. Look at the x values. If they're all different, automatically a function. Look at these x values. Are they all different? No, they're not. The -2 repeats. And they have 2 different y values. This is -2, -1. This is -2, +1. That's not possible with a function. So you can do it without the mapping diagram. You could do it without the vertical line test. But these are 3 options that you can see whether something is a function.